Good morning, everybody. My name is Scott with Berger Chevrolet. Whether you're 5 minutes away or 5.5 hours, don't be afraid to buy a car from us. We ship cars all over the United States. I'd like to take a minute to personally thank Mr. Mark Mead for his purchase of this beautiful Wild Cherry 2021 ZL1 1LE Camaro. If you see reliable carriers are right here in the parking lot getting ready to load this bad boy up, she's going all the way down to Salem, Indiana. Mark, thank you again so much, sir. We really appreciate your business.